The reports in the transaction module gives you insight into everything to do with your transactions. These reports are only available to the manager and administrator profiles who have access to the transaction module. The type status report shows you all the transactions by type and status to give you an overview of the types of transactions that you do in terms of volume. Seeing how many transactions that are cancelled is a good indicator of how well you close them out and may flag issues with the transactions starting but not closing. The type company role status report shows you all of your transactions by company role and by type of transactions further broken down by status. This gives you an excellent overview of the role that your company plays in transactions, and looking at the status lets you know how well you perform in each type. The type status commission currency report shows you the total amount of commission and company commissions for open and closed transactions and by transaction type. This gives you an excellent comparison between the commission paid by all clients in the transaction and the amount that your company has retained. The type status commission percentage report shows you the average percentage of commission and company commission for open and closed transactions and by transaction type. This gives you an excellent insight into the percentage of commission that you would typically charge for each transaction. This is invaluable in budget training, as well as training of brokers on how to increase their fees. The type property type report shows you the types of properties that you have transacted on by transaction type. This shows you which types of properties you are typically selling or renting and could help you identify strengths and weaknesses. The type contact type source channel report shows you the source of the clients that you have closed transactions with. This is an invaluable report that shows you which source lead channels your buyers, sellers, tenants, and landlords come through. This will help you identify any patterns which could signify strengths or weaknesses and show you which channels are working the best and the worst. The referring company type final price status report is for developers and shows you the sales volume that each referring company, agencies, and referral partners has brought to you and splits them by status. This is an excellent and easy way of tracking the performance of your referral partners and agencies.